Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Dodge Challenger front view. Let's start by lightly sketching a large rectangle, which will form the main body of our car. Next, draw a horizontal line just above the center of this rectangle. This will guide the placement of the iconic grille. Then, on either side, add two smaller rectangles to define where the powerful headlights will sit. Remember to keep your lines very light at this stage, as we'll be refining them soon. Now, let's bring those headlights to life. Carefully refine the smaller rectangles into the Challenger's distinct circular headlight units, paying attention to their size and spacing. Next, focus on the central grille, sketching its signature crosshair design and the horizontal slats within. Below that, add the lower air intake, which is typically a wide, rectangular opening. Don't forget to lightly outline the prominent fender flares on each side, giving the car its muscular stance. Moving upwards, let's define the powerful hood. Sketch the strong, sculpted lines that flow from the windshield down to the grille, including any characteristic hood scoops if present. Next, carefully outline the upper and lower edges of the front bumper, ensuring it wraps around the car's front. Within the bumper, add the smaller details like the fog lights or turn signals. Finally, lightly sketch the side mirrors, extending slightly from the car's main body, adding depth to your drawing. For our final slide, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully erase all the initial light construction lines, leaving only your refined sketch. Now, begin adding subtle shading to create depth, especially under the bumper, within the grille, and around the headlights. Include small, intricate details like the Dodge emblem on the grille and any reflections on the windshield or headlights. Finally, use darker, more confident lines to emphasize the car's final outline, making your Challenger truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.